I am Jack Stratten. I run a retail consultancy based in London. So a big part of what I do, I travel around the world looking at stores in relation to different consumer and digital trends and try to spot what's coming next. Try and provoke some new ideas, provoke interesting conversations for you to take back to your businesses, because to me that's the most important thing. Stores have to understand their place and their role within a world where we are much more needy and where we can do so much digitally. Stores have to do more, but at the exact same time, there's a definite growth in luxury experiences as well, slow experiences. It's a really, really polarized market. Sustainability. 57% of customers want retailers to become more sustainable. Great. 61% of the same customers are more concerned about cost. Yes, using technology, being creative, being innovative, but doing it in a more practical and meaningful way. The technology that matters is the technology that customers actually start using in their customer journeys with you. That's the tech that matters. Another way that the store is becoming more of an advertising or marketing platform is live streaming. Stores can't stand still. They can't. And we have to move on from this idea that experiential retail is some coffee in your shop, okay? It's not. This is the model that people seem to be following. It's really, really interesting. It feels to me like the last 10, 15 years, traditional retailers have been told, you need to copy the D2C brands, you need to focus on online, that needs to be your focus. All of a sudden, it looks to me like the new players are looking at you.